Break ID number 4974. 2018 Bowman's Best Baseball 1-box break. Go. So top row, PC team, if it turns blue on the very top row on Sundays, that is $150 instantly in your account. On Sundays also, we're looking for one of ones. Any one of ones is $100 in your account. And both of those bounties are unlimited. Doesn't matter how many times that happens. Nolan Gorman. Not a bad way to start out. The 19th overall pick. St. Louis, Dan, LA. Tatis Jr. refractor. Soto rookie. Hoskins rookie. Jordan Adams. Royce Lewis, number 1 prospect. Alec Bohm, insert, number 3 pick. Devers rookie. Andujar rookie. Jordan Adams. Insert auto. 17th overall pick. Angels, Dan, LA. Jonathan India, number 5 pick, insert. Torres rookie refractor. Unparalleled football's down to 2. Luminance football with the best of football bonus is down to 3. Blue refractor. Nick Madrigal, 4th overall pick to 150. Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. That is a printing plate. That is a 1 of 1, which means $100. And I'm pretty sure that's in the auto spot. It is. Yikes. Autograph printing plate, 1 of 1, Matt Olson. Matt Olson printing plate, auto, 1 of 1. Oakland, Brad, NU. The first box, well, a lot of the printing plates are scratched. First box and $100 bounty. Nice job, Brad. Brendan McKay, purple. Hoskins, rookie insert. Brendan McKay, auto. To the Rays, Wesley, LO. Acuna, rookie, refractor. Ohtani, rookie. Last pack. The next one of these is sold out, and the third one is down to 7. All right.